Hey everyone, it's your North Texas Fossil Dude here, and I'm out here, of course, at the North Sorrelful River. And we had that really good rain late last week, early this week, and a lot of stuff's been moved around. And well, I'm kind of late today. I forgot something in the Jeep, had to go back, so I lost about an hour of time. But I did happen to stumble across something that I think is pretty cool. So let's flip the camera around and show it to you. Alright, as I show this to you, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up there. Really would appreciate that, and I would love to have your subscription. That way you can see future episodes and get caught up on my back episodes, but it's right there. I don't know if you can see it with the sun the way it is, but it is actually a piece of a jawbone, and it's got two partial teeth right there. That is pretty darn cool. So I'm just kind of searching through this area right here. It's been picked over a little bit. Like I said, there's a lot of people out here already today. So we're going to keep looking, hopefully find some more cool stuff. Well, alrighty guys, we're on to another bone here. I don't know if you can see it. It's actually in the middle of the screen there. Crossing this little bit of a creek. I don't know which one to call it. It's really the river, but there's really not a lot of water in it right now. It kind of drains pretty quick. But it's sitting right here. Oh, not sure what that is. Yeah, I know you guys get tired of saying that maybe, but man, I really don't know. There's so much you can find out here. But that is pretty cool. It's got some of the enamel on it right there. I don't know, maybe it's a busted up vertebrae. Huh, well, it's going home with me, so come on, we're going to keep seeing what we can find. All right, everyone, well, I hit this thinking it was a piece of wood. But when I hit it, it moved a little bit. It didn't sound like wood. So let's see what this is. Holy cow. That's bone. The heck is that a chunk from? Look at the size of that thing. And that's just a chunk. Wow, we're going to have to wash that up and take a look at it a little closer. Give me a minute, I got to get back to the river and get near some water. Alright, so we're at some water here. Let's rinse this thing off and see if we can get a better look at it. But I'm pretty excited about this piece though. Look at that. That is a big chunk of bone. Wow. I mean, I'm gonna see if anybody maybe can take a guess of what it might be, but I mean, in the shape it's in, probably not. But that's the largest, probably, I think that is the largest bone I have found out here, or at least chunk of bone. So we're gonna keep looking around, see what else we can find. Well, I've been looking for a while. Haven't really found anything since that big bone, but I did happen to stumble across this piece here. It's a beat up vertebrae. Yeah, it's beat up. Now, that's a little, now you can't weight doesn't determine a fossil, okay? But this actually has a little bit more weight to it. Doesn't necessarily appear like the other fossils that we normally find here that I've shown you guys. So, I'm wondering if maybe that's pyrite. Maybe pyrite took it over. Huh. Well, we'll clean up when we get home, and we'll see what we find out about it. Hey everyone, thanks for watching so far. I appreciate you being here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love to have your subscription also. Please hit the subscribe button, and we're going to go ahead and review what we found this time around at the North Sorrelful River. So we'll go ahead and look at this piece here. This is the vertebrae. It's really beat up, but it's the one that I think maybe is pyritized, or it's got pyrite, or whatever the terminology is. There's also another one here, which is also a dark. It's kind of beat up also. And so this right here, I put this on the Fossil Forum, and along with another piece we'll talk about here in just a minute, because I kind of think that's coral. It's not a tooth, because that is definitely rock right there of some geological sorts, and this one's got those nice little pits and marks and stuff on it, but nobody responded to that one. So we did find another little bone here, a little piece of a bone, probably something to do with some sort of a toe bone or something like that. This is actually another piece of poo. Kind of hard to see with the camera there, but if you notice right here, there's two little X's. There's another, and then some type of species there. And then the backside, we do have this little, what I believe to be a little ammonite. That's right there in the corner there. Pretty cool. Half tempted to clean it up and take a look at it. Probably won't do that though. I did grab this oyster. As you can kind of tell, it's got kind of a purple hue to it. I'm going to go ahead and spray that real quick with some water, see maybe get a better look at it. I think that's going to shine up really nice, and it is purple, which I think is pretty interesting, but it's rather beat up. We did find this piece of bone also. Not sure what that is. Just happy it's a rather large piece of bone. I mean, it's got some of the enamel on the outside there. Then we did find this mosasaur jawbone with a couple of broken off teeth in it, which is pretty cool. You actually have this tooth here that's actually broken off too, but that's a nice little piece there. I'll be adding that to my collection. Just another little piece of a bone here. And then, so this is the piece that I actually thought was a bone in the video. And it is not. When I was actually looking at it, got it cleaned up a little bit, you can actually see the layering that's inside of there. This is actually a petrified piece of wood. Largest piece I've seen there. It is not like any of the other petrified wood that has been found that I'm aware of for myself. I can look back and think. I've been doing this for about a year only at the North Sulphur River. And then I kind of want to follow up with this here. This is, I cleaned it up a little bit. This is that I still believe it's a button coral. There was a debate still going on the fossil forum. And they're kind of back and forth. One of them says that it's poo. The other one says no, it's a button coral. And but cleaned up, I'm going to have to go with the button coral on my side. Reason being is it just kind of resembles that a little bit more. So I really do appreciate you watching. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.